begin round 16, we need to go ahead and mark where we need to increase. So these two sets of 2 double crochets are our landmark. So starting on the last set of 2 double crochets in one stitch, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are going to mark the next stitch after the 9th double crochet. So it's actually between the 9th and 10th double crochet. We put the marker there and do the same for the rest of the set of stitches. So there is the last 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So keep repeating the marking process all the way around. After we mark the designated stitches for increase, then we start the round by making a chain 1 and skip the stitch that's in front of the chain 1 and 2 single crochets on the next mark stitch because it is an increase. So that's 1, 2. Then single crochet on every stitch. That is all there is to it. You just have to make single crochet on each and every stitch until you reach the mark stitch and you do 2 single crochet stitches on the next mark stitch. So repeat this set of stitches all the way around. So 2 single crochet stitches on this mark stitch and repeat. So keep on doing what I've just done and I will meet you toward the end to show you how the round ends. Toward the end of the round, single crochet on the stitch that was skipped at the very beginning of this round. Then do a seamless ending just like we did before. So it should be there. So this is the end of round 16.